Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a report in Salesforce. All right. Basically, you're going to want to go to your reports tab right here at the top, click on it. And as you can see here, we have two reports. So if you want to share these reports right here, just go ahead and click on this drop down. All right. And in here, you could just go ahead and run it, then share. Just wait for it. As you can see, when we click on the drop down right here, besides edit, we have the option called export. You can go ahead and export it from this particular format and send it to a person. Now in here, going back to reports, all right, in the left pane, you have the option all folders right here. I'm going to click on it. As you can see here, we have all of our reports. All right. Let's say, for example, I'm going to share payments reports right here. I'm going to click on the drop down and here we have the share button. I'm going to click on it and as you can see, you can go ahead and click on share with. Here's a drop down, public groups, and the name's right here. If you want to share it to a specific user, go ahead and type in the name. All right. The name of the user. Or for example, you wanted to share it like for all partners. All right. Right here, just click on it. And here, access or permission, we have view, edit, and manage. If you want your partner users, all right, to be able to edit it, just go ahead and click on edit or manage it. Just click on manage. But if you just want them to view it, just leave it as is. All right. Once done, just hit on share. And as you can see here, who can access these people right here, all internal users and all partner users will be able to view this particular report. Now from here, you can just be able to click on a drop down and edit their permissions. That's basically how you do it. All right. Just click on done and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.